Ever wondered if basis hair growth is just another overhyped product or something that actually works? I decided to dig deep into basis hair growth to separate the facts from the marketing hype and give you a clear picture before you spend a single penny. Basis hair growth claims to promote fuller, thicker hair with a combination of natural ingredients, but when looking closer, the details get a bit murky. I analyzed the formula, which includes biotin, keratin, and a few herbal extracts, and while these ingredients are commonly associated with hair health, the concentration and actual effectiveness are hard to verify. The website promises dramatic results in a short time, but when I looked at verified customer reviews, opinions were mixed. Some users reported mild improvements after consistent use, while others didn't notice any difference at all. There's also the question of pricing. It's not the cheapest hair growth solution out there, so it's important to weigh whether the potential benefits justify the cost. On social media and forums, the discussion is split too. Some influencers swear by it, while others caution against believing everything in the ads. What's interesting is that despite all the online buzz, there isn't any strong clinical evidence publicly available to confirm the product's claims. That doesn't automatically mean it's bad, but it does mean results may vary significantly depending on your hair type, lifestyle, and genetics. Overall, basis hair growth doesn't seem to be a scam, but it also isn't a guaranteed solution for everyone looking to thicken their hair. It might work for some, have minimal impact for others, and in some cases, you may see no visible change at all. If you're considering trying it, it's best to go in with realistic expectations and treat it as a supplement rather than a miracle cure. Because the truth is, hair growth is complex, and no single product can promise the same results for everyone.